What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and I'm up in an attic today and I'm looking at a water heater. This water heater is from 2016, so it's not very old, but we got some installation issues. Come in here and take a look. So the first thing I want to point out is that this draft hood is not installed properly. These little feet or legs should be bent downward. It should be lifted up about 1.5 inches off of the water heater itself. That way it's what's called a natural draft water heater, and it pulls air in from here, from the attic space, in order to properly exhaust. This situation will not exhaust properly and ultimately will cause carbon monoxide to backdraft into the attic space and could get into the home. The second thing I want to bring up is all of this corrosion going on around these fittings. This right here is going to lead to a leak, and possibly already has, because we have all this kind of corrosion and dripping going down the tank. We even have some rust in the bottom of the pan underneath the tank. So not just the top of the water heater, but when we move down here, this is the gas line for the water heater, and it doesn't have what is required now by current code is a sediment trap before the gas line enters the appliance. So we are going to recommend that somebody come out here and install that when they assess the rest of these issues. We'd like to see a sediment trap put on this line to bring it up to current code. So you guys, what should be a relatively new and nicely working water heater actually has some installation errors that might have compromised the entire system at this point. We're not really sure, but what we recommend is that a plumber come out here and assess the situation, see if these issues can actually be repaired, and that the tank itself isn't compromised and doesn't need to be replaced. Anyway, I'm going to go finish up inspecting this property. So Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections, hey, give me a call because I want to see you on your next inspection. Bye now.